How to fix Steam fatal error. Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you guys how to fix this error. First thing you have to do is go to your search bar and then type in Steam and then open up the app. Once you open the app up, go to Steam, up top left, go to Settings, and then find Downloads here. Now all you have to do is clear the download cache first, but what it will do is you are required to log into Steam again. So if you wish to continue, tap on confirm. It will restart the application and you're going to have to log in back again. Once that is done, go ahead and tap on the search bar and then search for Steam again. But this time you're going to have to open file location. Once you open it up, right click on it and then go to its properties. Or if you have an option to go to file location, you can do that. So just go ahead and open file location again. So let me just right click and then open file location. Now you'll get to the steam.exe file, but this time you're going to have to go to the option for properties. Once your properties are open, go to compatibility. Make sure that the compatibility mode is turned on, and these two options are also turned on. So once you've done that, click on apply and then OK, and then just try to restart the app. Now, if it doesn't work, the final step is to go to your run dialog box and then type in percent local app data percent. And then here you'll find a temp folder. Just go ahead and open it up. And if you see Steam inside the temp folder, all you have to do is find it and delete the folder. So let me just scroll down to see if there is. Here's the Steam folder. Now you can just go ahead and right click on it and delete the folder. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you in the next one.